What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, as you guys can see, we're taking my F80, we're taking F80 Danny's F80 and a couple of the other Orlando crew. We're meeting up with them and then we're heading to Porsche, South Orlando, and they're having a supercar meet on top of the roof. So we're bringing our supercars to the meet. It should be a good turnout though, and I'll definitely show you guys all the cool cars that we see there. But it's good to hang out with all the Orlando guys. It's been a little while since we've all hung out and, you know, seen each other's cars and stuff like that. So it's gonna be a fun time. You got anything to say?
It's hot out, boys.
Oh my god, yo, it's hot as fuck. That's why we're still in the cars right now. So I already know I'm gonna be sweating during the B-roll segment of this video, so make sure you guys drop a like. As always, comment down below, subscribe for future content, and let's get into this video. We got F80 Danny back on the vlog. Davis Blue F80, all cleaned up for today. I know all the other guys cleaned up their F80s or their cars as well, so we'll make sure to show you guys. But you guys see my F80, Danny's F80 right here, looking hella clean. All right, we got contestant number 2 rolling in today. This is F80 Nick, formerly F80 Nick. Now we got B58 Nick.
Still F80 Nick.
Let's go, still F80 Nick. He got a new car, he actually traded in. My boy, carbon black.
Yes,
looks fire. Hell yeah. Contestant number 4 just pulled up. We got Chris Marina in the house.
It's been a minute.
And the R35.
Ain't mine.
We got Nick's carbon black. You guys see that color right there? Oh, you like it? Looking clean, yo.
You guys still have both.
Yeah. This shit's fire. He also has the same tips your boy has. Shit's fire. We got Chris in the R35. This is actually his dad's, but I think we may do a feature film and a ride along in this car. It's actually one of my dream cars, so stay tuned for that. Damn, we got an Aventi. God damn. I just hear supercars, V10s and V12s and supercars everywhere. So yeah, as I was saying, Chris took his dad's R35 here today because it is Supercar Saturday. For those of you guys that don't know, the R35 is actually one of my dream cars. So yeah, we may go for a ride along and do a feature film on that car. It'll be the first time that I've ever been in an R35, so I'm super excited. And he has the facelift model as well. I think it's like a 2020, so that may be the next video you guys see. Bro, we got an STO over there. We have an Aventador. That looks like a manual. What the heck is going on? We got Danny in the front. No way, it is Euro Customs PR. Speak of the devil with his twin turbo Porsche that we mentioned in the last video. This lineup is crazy. We are pulling up to Porsche of South Orlando. You already know we're about to see some insane cars here. There's I-4 right there. This garage is sick. All I hear is supercars revving non-stop. We got the Ferrari dealership next door right there. I'll crack my window a little bit. This is insane. The Aventador just revved and my fucking heart just shook. We have a Gallardo in front of us. We got a couple of Supras. I saw a GTR. A bunch of stuff. This is insane. Yo, R35. We got an RCF. We got a Gallardo. V10 R8. Another dream car of mine. We got an R32. What? And then another Gallardo. I see a GT2 RS right behind Nick's car, right behind this pole. Absolutely insane. We got more cars rolling in. This shit is insane. Freaking Skittles right here. Alright, so it's a little dark in here right now, but I'm in the car getting some AC because it is hot as hell. But as you guys probably saw, I just got you guys some fire B-roll and cinematics for the beginning of the video. So now let's start the vlog portion. Yo, can I get your autograph? We got the boys in the house. We got Kyler, F30 Skirt in the house. We got Wang, Thousands, just pulled up. Hey! And we got one more to go.
Yes, sir. The man, the myth, the legend.
Yes, sir. Ben, Shame M3. You guys already know. All right, what are we doing here today?
I don't know.
Feeling poor. No, we're gonna level up to this one day, but
Facts.
you gotta see it to dream it. What up, dog?
Not much. Live life.
Chilling?
The dream.
Living the dream. Let's go. Shrug Media. Where's your camera, bro?
Not today. No vlog session today.
We got the vlog squad.
Vlog squad.
I'm just doing some keto.
All right, so we got Thousands, Jonathan Wang. We got Shame S55, and F30 skirt.
It's hot. I can tell it's
Oh,
hot.
it's hot.
Swim, boy.
We're on top of the roof now, but look at that rain cloud. I'm hiding in between a Ferrari and a Porsche right now because of the wind noise, so we got the boys. But I'm gonna try to show you guys as many cars as I can without getting copyrighted from the music. I'm gonna show you guys my favorite cars. Make sure you guys leave a comment down below. Which supercar is your favorite? Got homies from the F30 days.
Oh, I got a Tomeo.
What's the names? What's the IGs? What's the names? What the IGs?
I'm Landon. I don't have a car IG. So.
Sure.
I don't have a car IG, but my name's Noam.
You're the Ian though.
You
Shout out
got
to
a
these
full time GTI A. Full time.
But Landon and me used to talk when I had the F30, right?
Yep.
That's
Way
crazy.
back when,
and
bro.
now we're fucking meeting.
Both
We,
upgraded.
Yeah, we both upgraded. So we're gonna try to get you guys some vlog content before that rain cloud hits us. We're not gonna get copyrighted either. And then it is hella windy, so we'll try to make the best of it. We got a beautiful F8, I believe. All right, first up we got Euro Customs PR, Emmanuel. You guys just saw his car. Actually, you didn't see his one. You saw that car in the last video, but this is his twin turbo Carrera 4S that we mentioned in the last video. The thing is beautiful. Make sure you guys hit up and follow Euro Customs PR. We got a bagged twin turbo 4S pushing over 600 wheel. This thing is insanity. Next time we hang out, we're definitely gonna get a ride along. My boy. So what's up? Me and this guy follow each other on Instagram. He has an M5, an F80, and then he also has this beautiful frozen GT3. Make sure you guys check him out on Instagram as well. We got a GT3 RS. This spec is badass. Complete Batman theme with the black and yellow going on. And then we have this beautiful interior. That shit is hard. R35, tons of Porsches. This is a Porsche dealership, so you guys are gonna see a lot of Porsches here, but that is not why I'm here. I'm gonna show you guys some of my other favorite cars. Beautiful turnout. Obviously the weather is about to rain on us, but I'm gonna show you guys the cars before it rains. I really like the Golf livery right here on this C8. Got the Martini. What do you guys think about C8s? I was a fan for a little bit, but now it's like whatever. We got the Skittles over here, McLaren, Porsche, Lexus. I'm here to show you guys one car over here. Shout out to Aston Martin. That's why my dog is named Aston, James Bond. I'm here to show you guys this sick ass R35. This thing looks crazy. I say that because it's on a meaty ass tire setup and it looks so sick in the panda theme with the black and white. Try to show you guys the front. So sick. For those of you guys that don't know, I am a huge R35 fan. Maybe one day we'll level up to this, but yeah, this shit is beautiful. GT3 just started up and it's loud as frick. Got a 458 over here. Yo, yo. Just ran into Curtis, WTF Motorsports. Now it's gonna get really loud, so hopefully I don't get copyrighted. Sick ass McLaren right here. We got a sick ass 720. Beautiful Lambo with the wrap. Lambo. Screw the DJ's gonna get me copyrighted, bro. This is my favorite car right here. Audi R8 V10 Plus. This actually might be another one of my dream cars that I would like to own after the R35, so love this one. This 488 or whatever Pista looks so sick. And then we have another STO, probably twin turbo it looks like. That is insanity. Titanium exhaust. Definitely one of my favorite cars here. Matte black STO. Doesn't get better than that. Holy hell. Another beautiful car of mine. Aventador SV V12. God damn, this thing pulled up. It was so sexy. DJ's making an announcement because this storm's about to hit us, so we're gonna go downstairs and wait out the storm. But I had to show you guys these twinning matching STOs that pulled up. Absolutely insane. Sorry if I'm screaming. I have to scream over this damn DJ. But yo, look at these STOs. Absolutely incredible. This shark fin is insane. Holy. And then we got another Aventador over here. Super badass. Love this one. It's so fucking loud with the music. But I had to show you guys this one. This one's one of my favorites here. That shit's sexy. All right, what we think so far? This shit's crazy.
I mean, it doesn't get more Florida than this. We got a little hurricane out here, then we got the sun.
And with supercars.
Music's bumping, you know, the boys are all out.
Yes, sir. Bro, it's literally about to downpour on all of us. Yo, this is madness.
This is
They turned on all the lights now. Let's go. It feels like Need for Speed right now in the garage. That SEO is so nice. I guess all the supercars don't want to get too wet. All right, in midst of all this revving and rain, I had to show you guys this sick ass GTR over here. This is insanity. All the supercars are just coming down and revving it. You can see actually my F80 is over there, probably getting rained on. Yeah, typical Florida. We got absolute domo in the house. Can't hear nothing. Can't hear nothing. R.I.P. to my eardrums. That shit was crazy. Of course, we parked in the only spot that the back of our cars got wet, but what are you gonna do? Yeah, my F80 definitely got a little bit wet on the rear, but that's all good. We got Danny's, Chris's, another Huracan coming through. We got Wayne right there and Ben right there. Hopefully this guy doesn't rev it in my face. That shit is sexy.
What a day.
E92 just pulled up, loud as fuck. Look at this new GT3. This is beautiful. Manual. We got the blue accents and we got the blue cage as well. Wow. Easily like a $250,000 car. That's insane. So a lot of the supercars came down to this level and hid from the rain, and then a lot of them just dipped because, you know, who wants to wait out this Florida storm? So while we're waiting out the storm, we decided to go to the showroom level, and Danny found this what?
It is a beautiful 2007 black on black 911 Carrera 6-speed. So probably the oldest car here, but arguably one of the nicest driver-oriented vehicles. I mean,
yeah.
I sat down, I felt out that 6-speed. I mean, it feels amazing.
Yeah, we both just sat in the car, and yeah, the shifter definitely feels nice.
Yeah.
And the cool thing is, like, you can sit in all of these cars. All right, next we have a Taycan. Sticker 113,000. Let's see what the electric life is about.
Yeah. They did it smart, honestly. It's nice.
This does feel pretty premium.
Yeah, like compared to the BMW I drive it. Yeah, exactly. On stilts, this feels premium.
Check out their shop. Super dope. Lighting is actually really nice in there. Would love to do a photo shoot. Here's the main showroom, and we got a nice GT3. Maybe we'll go check that out. It's my first time in a Porsche dealership, and yep, they do not disappoint. Wow. Wow.
I can see you in the dogs in the back.
Damn, with the gun. Hell yeah. All right, so I just sat in that Turbo S, but I want to sit in this one because the yellow is fire. And sticker price on this car actually is upwards of $300,000. That's insane. I'm in a $320,000 Porsche right now.
This is crazy.
But the yellow stitching, Adam LZ spec. This is crazy. F80 Nick trading in. Damn. Damn. All right, one more. I think this is also a Turbo S. I'm not gonna sit in it, but just to give you guys a walk around, this thing is beautiful. All right, last cars before we head up. Sold and sold. These things are beauties. Probably over $200,000 each. Damn. Fire. All right, that's gonna wrap it up for the car show. Supercars are leaving because of the weather. It's stopped now, but we are gonna head out and probably go get some food. So I'll take you guys along for the ride. All right. The vlog continues. Korean barbecue with the crew.
boys.
Yes sir, yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. Hey, we got that KBBQ.
Yes, herbal sauce.
We got the family dinner. Everybody's enjoying themselves. And that is a wrap. We destroyed that shit. Tore it up. All right, we just got done at Korean barbecue. Got all the whips lined up over here. We're probably gonna head home soon, so I'll close this vlog out in the garage. Shout out to Kyler. Make sure you guys follow him. F30 Skirt, Thousands, F80 Nick. Shrug Media, Shame M3, S55,
See
Danny,
ya. Like, subscribe, comment, leave some good words.
Absolute Duomo, and then Chris just headed out, and that is a wrap for tonight. All right, so we are back in the garage right now. That's gonna effectively wrap up this video. Tonight was crazy. Me and all the homies definitely had a blast. When it started raining and all the supercars went down below, it was madness. Something out of like Need for Speed, Tokyo Drift or something. Everybody started revving, and all the supercars with their V8s, V10s, V12s, it was insane. I had to plug my ears. I thought I was gonna go deaf, but had a great time with the guys. And then obviously we went out to eat afterwards. So I think it was a successful night with the crew. Definitely want to go to this event more often and capture some footage for you guys. But let me know what you guys think about this change up of video down in the comment section below. Tons of nice cars, tons of nice supercars. One day, hopefully me and you guys watching will get there ourselves. So stay tuned for the next video, guys. I want to thank you guys for watching. As always, make sure you guys drop a like, comment down below, and subscribe for future content. I think the next video is actually going to be a little ride along with Chris and the R35. That's a little video that I'm going to throw together, so that'll probably be dropping next. So stay tuned, and we'll catch you on the next one, guys. Take care. Peace.